How to save Facebook archive stories on your gallery. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if you want to save your Facebook story that was on archive now to your gallery is to click on these three lines on the upper corner right here and scroll down until you see settings right here. Now, after that, you just have to scroll down again until you find activity log. So you just have to click on that. And now you'll be able to see the selection that says Archive, Trash, and Activity History. You just have to tap on Archive right here. And now you will be able to see on this section right here, every stories, post, or contents that you have archived on your account. In order for us to see our story archive, we just have to tap on this button right here that says Story Archive. And we will be able to see every Facebook story that was archived on our account. So if we want to save a specific archive story to our gallery, all we have to do is to tap on that and click on these three dots on the upper corner. Now, if we're here, we just have to click on Save Photo or Save Video if it is a video. And now it has been saved to our gallery. So that's how to save Facebook archive stories on your gallery. Hope we help.